Hey guys, today I'm going to be trying out 10 sounds dogs love to hear the most and see Percy's reaction. He's kind of chilling right now, so here's an advertisement. Let me just cut that. You look real cute, Percy. You look tired. I feel bad doing this right now. This is number 9. I don't know what happened to number 10. Sleigh bells. Oh. Sounds like he likes it. It looks like it. No reaction? Okay. Oh no, Zeus. Oh no, no, Zeus. It's coming out of my phone. How do you not know? Zeus! Chill. Okay, Zeus, I'm sorry. I know, this is a bad one. I didn't... No, Zeus, no. Chill, chill. Zeus, chill. Zeus, no.